We'll guide you through how to remove the Steam Guard mobile authenticator. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. You may be currently signed into your Steam account or you may not, and you're wanting to go and remove the mobile guard authenticator. While it can go and protect your account, it can go and get annoying, so we're going to guide you through removing it. To get started, come onto your mobile where you went and set it up. I am, and here is the Steam app. Now if you don't, you'll need to come back here and where you're logging in and press help. I no longer have access to the mobile app and go through this process. And you can go and use Steam support there. But if you've got the app, it's much easier, so you can come into the app. Then at the bottom, you can go and press on the Steam Guard like so, and you can go and press the gear or cog icon in the bottom right here. So you want to go and click there, and you'll see a list of options. And what you want to do is go and find the option for Remove Authenticator, and you can tap there. Then you can go and confirm the decision, and you can go and press Remove Authenticator like so, and confirm it again by pressing Remove, and that's it. It's been successfully removed. That's it. Now you can go and sign in, and you won't need to go and complete that there. Leave a like if you found this useful.